Take 100.
It's not even joking, it's 100. We've all heard of salt on your chips, but have you heard of salt power in your home?
It's so tempting to take the batteries out, fill up with ice, put beer in it.
Yeah. Hi guys, Emily here, and today we're having a look at the 11 sodium battery, the UK's first sodium powered home storage battery. Let's talk about the brains of this operation, the North Sea hybrid inverter. The 11 hybrid inverter has 6 kilowatts of continuous power output and is IP65 rated, meaning it can be installed outside. The 11 sodium batteries come with an optional case, and this is what it looks like. So it's a bit like a cooler, and inside here we have 2 sodium batteries. Each one of these is 4.5 kilowatt hours and each weighs 54.5 kilos each. They are quite weighted, so I would definitely recommend installing these on the ground floor. And also a big bonus, the inverter and the batteries come with a 10-year product warranty. With its smart tariff integration, it works well with dynamic energy tariffs, meaning that you can charge at cheap rates and then use them when the rates go up. And with its UK-based cloud monitoring system, you can control and monitor your system from anywhere. 11 Energy's mission is to create an eco-friendly, sustainable and affordable battery storage system. And if you're wondering where the name 11 comes from, well, it's the atomic number of sodium, the key ingredient in their batteries. Need more power? No problem. The 11 sodium battery can have up to 8 packs added, allowing you to store loads of energy. Ever worried about how batteries handle the British weather? Well, this one loves it. Working from -20 to 55 degrees Celsius, this stays warm when it's cool and cool when it's warm, making sure that you get optimal power all the time. All in all, I think the 11 sodium batteries are a game changer to the market. Not only are they safer, reliable, affordable and sustainable, but they are recyclable, which is a massive issue with the home storage batteries we have at the moment. Comment and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. I always do this, like, comment and subscribe.